One of the biggest, most important decisions we make every day is how we nourish. What we eat affects how we think, how we feel, how we look. The diet industry is a $72 billion industry. That's billion. But this is not about what you lose, it's about what you gain. You gain energy, emotional stability, confidence, well-being, vitality, independence, and immunity. I'm Dr. Lisa Leslie Williams, pharmacist turned naturopathic food and wellness expert, media TV contributor, frequent traveler, and everyday busy mama. I've taken the time to create easy and healthy recipes that your family will enjoy. I have created these recipes with your health and wellness in mind. As a clinically trained pharmacist, I know how important it is to invest in your health. In fact, this is one of the most important investments that you will ever make. I also know that paying for your health on the front end at the grocery store and how you eat versus the back end at the pharmacy, paying unwanted copays and unwanted sick visits is more expensive, labor-intensive, life-sucking, and just not the way to go. Use these free recipes as a tool to begin to write your own prescriptions for. They're flavorful, kid-tested, and family-approved. What are you waiting for? Download the free ebook today. See you on the inside. Bye for now.
Welcome her right now. You can do better than that. You can do, stand to your feet, ladies. Stand to your feet. Stand to your feet, and let's welcome Dr. Lisa Leslie Williams.
Figure out why you are here, because you're all here for a purpose. So that's your job. While you're here, we figure it out.
So I have some cut spinach, some frozen spinach. This is also organic, but it's, you know, the thing about frozen foods and frozen vegetables and fruits is that they usually flash freeze them. So it keeps all the nutrition in the fruits and vegetables, even if you buy it frozen. So this is what I like to use for my smoothies. I like cooking fresh spinach, but when it comes to my smoothies, I make sure I buy the frozen stuff, okay?
So garlic is another thing that helps boost the immunity. Now some people find garlic off-putting because of the taste, or sometimes some, you know, some GI upset, but you can roast this. Okay? So I would just take the whole bulb, put some olive oil in it, pop it in the oven at 400 degrees for 30 minutes. Now because I have your attention and I'm closing this out, I know you rock, but you know what rock even more? If you eat your fruits and vegetables. Thank you so much.